हाँ हाँ सर थोड़ा ओके थैंक यू पीछे कोई नहीं है सेंटर लुक सेंटर नया जी सेंटर हो नया जी नया जी राइट साइड नया जी सेंटर सही है नया जी राइट साइड बस नया जी राइट साइड थोड़ा खाली हो ये मागे रे सतीश दा मागे चलो पीछे पीछे चलो रे पूरा चिप सेंटर मैं वापस It's all inside. Thank you. आओ पीछे यार थोड़ा पीछे जाने के लगे सामने डाला गाने लाइव ब्लॉग डाला रहेंगे आप लोग हम सर लोग भाई डाला जी वन सर सामने इवेंट या सेंटर लेफ्ट साइड पीछे आ जाओ एक्सक्यूज मी लुक अप वन मोर सेंटर वन मोर या मैम मैडम सेंटर वन मोर मैम एक्सक्यूज मी सेंटर मैम एक्सक्यूज मी सेंटर मैम सेंटर थैंक यू एक साथ राइट से ये सेंटर ये मैम ये ऑलम भी है मैं इधर देखा नहीं ये ऑलम भी है लेफ्ट साइड एक मिनट बोलो ये ऑलम भी मैं जी यहां पे मैं जी सामने यहां प्रेशर डाल रहा है मैं जी बड़ा मैं जी थोड़ा मैडम थोड़ा आगे मैं पीछे से बात कीजिए नहीं हाथ मत डालने नहीं पीछे गया वही कैमरा ये पीछे सभी पर पड़ जाएगा और मत डाल निकिता थोड़ा बाजू निकिता सर
Very excited to have you.
Yeah.
भाई पीछे ना भाई कितना जाएगा मेरे फ्रेम में आ रहा ना यार मैं हमसे नहीं मिल रहा बराबर है मिल रहा है ये
Yeah, no, also they won't get mic sound if the fan comes in this, no? Yeah, they don't say they will tell you to turn it off. Well, सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी that चाहे कोई भी फिल्म प्रमोशन हो हम बहुत खुशी से बात करते हैं, but today it's a matter of honor that all of us, I can speak on the behalf of our entire team from 21 तोपों की सलामी, हमारी अभी बात हो रही थी that it's a great matter of honor that we are getting to share the stage or the dais with Mr. K.S. Narayanan, who's from Pan Foods, the CEO. Of course, he is somebody जिन्होंने initiative को सबसे ज़्यादा boost दिया है. Of course, everybody from Radio Mirchi, and most importantly, to be able to share the stage with Dr. Sam Tarapurwala, who's from the Xavier's Research Center for the Visually Challenged, जिन्होंने ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन food menu develop किया है for the first time in the country and probably for the first time in the world. It may exist somewhere, may not, पर वो हमें पता नहीं है, but definitely the first time in the country. और जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि ये मेन्यू जो है it's not only for people who can see what is written but also for the visually challenged, क्योंकि ये ब्रेल में है and more importantly इसके एक ऑडियो टेक्स्ट भी है which all you need to do is just pick this up and press it on. Garden vegetables. जैसे अभी ये garden vegetables बताएगा and also the price and you know I just feel like ये जो सारा initiative है which is the menu that is being developed by Radio Mirchi or even Puneet, who's our friend, he's the one who's helped develop this text along with Dr. Sam. बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेहतरीन initiative है. It not only makes us feel special about doing something like this, but it also makes us feel highly. I'm at a loss of words, but also makes us feel highly indebted to the fact that we were given an opportunity like this by Radio Mirchi. और अगर हमें किसी को 21 तोपों की सलामी देनी होगी तो हम ज़रूर Dr. Sam, Mr. K.S. Narayanan, everybody from Radio Mirchi and Puneet, इन सबको देंगे. And most importantly जो आप ये आवाज़ें सुन रहे हैं, they are all by radio jockeys of Radio Mirchi, जिन्होंने ये बेहतरीन effort किया है. I mean, I can go on and on talking about it, but I'd leave the dais open to everybody else who's here.
कितने foodie आप लोग आपने जाना चाहेंगे? How frequently you guys go out?
I think अदिति तो बहुत बड़ी फूडी है. हम प्रमोशंस पे भी होते थे तो प्रमोशन से ज़्यादा ध्यान अदिति का खाने पे है.
Well, actually, अदिति से ज़्यादा we don't have him with us, but it's Mr. Anupam Kher who's the biggest foodie. उनकी वजह से हम लोग जैसे हमारी प्रमोशंस खत्म हुई, हमें जिम के 2 राउंड मारने पड़े दिन में, डिटॉक्स और क्रैश डाइट्स पे जाना पड़ा because Anupam Kher is the biggest foodie. But having said that, it's not about us today. It's about people who want to have equal and fair opportunities only because they deserve it. And
it's so respectful.
Yeah.
So respectful. You don't need to, take anybody's help. You can आप बस menu book खोलेंगे और आप सब कुछ कर सकते हैं अपने आप. So I think it's a great initiative. और ये the respect, जिस respect की हम बात कर रहे हैं, हमारी फिल्म में भी coincidentally देखिए उसी की बात हो रही है और यहाँ पे भी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो एक respect दिलाती है. So I think it's a very wonderful initiative.
और भी खूबसूरत बात यह है कि बिल्कुल अंतर नहीं रखा. It's not like you have a special menu अलग बनाया गया है. Even it's so beautifully made कि आप एक normal menu उठा के you have the audio, you have the visual for anybody who's visually challenged as well. And to give everybody a fair and equal opportunity, that's what the world should always come down to. And this is a first step. It's a big step, but I'm sure it's not the last one.
आपने देखी है?
मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी, सॉरी, वेल हम ये बताना चाहेंगे कि अभी हमारी बात हो रही थी विद सम ऑफ द पीपल हु आर स्लाइटली विजुअली चैलेंज्ड, और दे हैड वन कंप्लेन कि व्हेन यू गो अब्रॉड और बाहर जाके आप फिल्में देखते हैं तो ऑडियो टेक्स्ट होता है फिल्मों में, और हिंदी फिल्मों में ऑडियो टेक्स्ट नहीं होता। 21 तोपों की सलामी को तो बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज मिल रहे हैं, पर अगर हमारी हिम्मत कभी हो एंड एज एन इंडिविजुअल, yes, I would like to take this upon ourselves and people from the film industry कि eventually we want to bring out audio description for the visually challenged so that they can also enjoy our movies as much as we enjoy making them. Yes, and Radio Mirchi, of course.
So adding on to Neha, we have done this in past with couple of movies. I think we need to do it more often.
Yes, we need to do it more often, and we will definitely be by your side.
Thank you so much.
You need to
Thank
insist
you
with
so
your
much.
producers
Yes, yes.
when you sign your contract.
Yes, absolutely.
Checklist point.
Checklist point. All movies to be passed via Dr. Sam Tarapur.
Well, it should be audio description.
Audio description. Yes, absolutely, sir. They want you to
Operate the menu
operate
and-
the menu.
Okay.
So the audio comes
We need a mic.
It's there in front.
It's all the mics and front.
So I'm first putting there's a label over here.
Yeah.
I'm touching it.
Food menu.
So I'll just hold it. I'll hold it for you. I'm holding it the other way around.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Bombay Blue. With help from Radio Mirchi 90.3 FM. It's hot and XRCBC.
So that's what's on the top cover in text, in braille and audio. So I'm just now going to a random page. Okay.
I've got it.
You just hold it?
Yeah. I'm holding
I'm just going down to any label here.
Chicken dum biryani.
Wow, chicken dum biryani.
255.
Chicken dum biryani, rupees 255. Anybody's hungry?
We all are.
Lacha paratha. Rupees 60.
Oh, lacha paratha, very, very exciting, rupees 60. So basically one can feel the dots here, read, and by touching the label, if I do not know braille but I am blind, I can still listen to it. Even elderly, low vision persons, sometimes people have to struggle with the spectacles, this sort of menu can be used. So that's the basic concept.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, that's just from the peak.
Was it?
Thanks for very well spoken words.
Not at all. I mean, that's the least we can do. Like Devendra said, it's like, anytime you need us, we'll be back. It's not really about the film or anything.
Anyway, we'll be in touch, and you've got my contact details if you
Yeah,
can
I'm going
send
to,
those over to us.
I will email or call. I can call.
Yeah. Even email ID is there.
Yeah, so
Because we need to retrieve this.
who's taking the
But we
snap?
need
He
to
wants
retrieve
the
this.
snap.
That's our photographer Sam.
Okay, great.
He's tucked away in a corner, basically.
Yeah.
He is the smart one sitting next to the fan.
Because ultimately